So how do you request someone's location on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So at first, go to the Find My application, and there isn't like a general way of requesting it. At first, for a while, you need to start sharing your location. So you need to go to the People's tab at the bottom, click on Start Sharing, and choose from the people which show up, right? So you can just select it and confirm it. Choose just for 1 hour. That's like the smallest time frame. That's of course how you do this. And then once you set up the sharing of your location, you'll be able to find the person in there, right? You'll be able to see it like that. And then when you tap on that person, you'll be able to scroll up a little bit on it. And there is the button under the settings title, which is titled Request Location. And when you click on that, you not only you're going to get the pop-up that the request is sent, and not only you get it to share your location, you will also request the sharing from the other person, right? So obviously now you can just stop sharing if you don't want to do that, but the location has still been requested. So that's how it works on your device using the Find My application. Obviously, there are some other services which might also get the job done, but I'm showing you what works well for a lot of people, especially between Apple and like iPhone devices. So yeah, let me know if it worked out for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one.